Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is club time. What does that mean? That means we have a brand new release for our Stamp and Die Hard Club members. Now, if you're a Stamp Club member, the Stamp Club is $13.99 a month, plus tax if we have to do the tax part, shipped to you automatically. Boom. If you're in Canada, it's 50 cents more. What? I know, it's crazy. It's insane. If you're international, it's $1.50 more. What? I know, it's crazy. Now, we have some Stamp Club members, but our most popular club is our Die Hard Club because that's the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but the dies that match. Right? I know. That's the one. Nah, of course. Well, here we go. Are you ready for this club set? Now, club members, this is already on its way to you. Actually, Ken gets up extra early on the 1st and ships it out to you. So it depends on when you watch this video. But if you watch it on the 1st or later, boom, it's already on its way. If you're not in the club, join now so you can get in on this awesome set. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. It is called Winter Birds. And originally I planned on these being cardinals, but I'm like, hello, make it blue and it's a bluebird. Make it purple and it's a whatever bird. You know what I mean? You can do this any color you want, and our design team did. Here we go. We have these cute little birdies. They are big in size, my friends. Those are close to 3.75 inches. That's how large those birds are, which is really fun. Hello, you make my heart smile. You are a tweet friend. Get it? Tweet. Winter greetings. Sending warm chirps your way. Winter wishes. Couple little cute little birdie stamps and a little holly in there and 2 branches. 2 branches. Now, Stamp Club members, this is what's being sent to you. If you're a Die Hard Club member, dun, 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 you are getting the dies that match. Now, I gave you an extra little birdie and I put them together because I didn't want you to lose them, because I would lose them. Just saying. I know you're nothing like me where you never lose anything, right? Right? I know. So here we go. We have the twigs, we have the cute little birdies, and you know what? Of course, we also give you the inside dies and the outside dies. Inside dies and the outside, so you can do it with shadows or without shadows. It's up to you. Also, of course, you get the handy dandy postcard that gives you a couple ideas, but you're going to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and see all of the amazing ideas because they are absolutely amazing. Our design team knocks my socks off all the time. I have a couple samples to show you, but I want you to go watch the next video to see a ton more. First of all, let's just go easy peasy. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. And then here you are. You are loved. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Here we go. Ooh, look at this with a Bible verse on the front with a cute little cardinal on the front. Love that. I told you it could be a different color. There's a blue version. Love it, right? Now, what about the braided oval? Do you remember our braided oval? A lot of you already have it, but look at how adorable our birdie sits in there. Absolutely love it. I love this bird. It's just so different. And this one just made me giggle. Every time I see it, I giggle. I just think it is just so funny how these cute little guys are like peeking in. They're peeking in. They want to see what's going on, so they're peeking in. They're peeking in. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Cardinals appear when angels are near. Just adorable. I absolutely love that. So club members, you know the deal. Yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, they start as little as $13.99 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically. That includes a 15% discount off of my entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Well, does that include Totally Tiffany bags? Yes. Does that include secret weapons? Yes. Does that include die cut machines? Yes. Does that include adhesive? Yes. Cardstock? Yes. Ink pads? Yes. Everything. Do you know how much fun it is for me to say everything? Everything. Online classes? Yes. Everything. And every order. I had a couple people one time ask me, well, is it just the first order I place? No, no, no. It's every single day, every single order. So you could place an order today and place another order in 3 days. You're still getting that discount. Yes, it is. It's like a sale every single day on my website for our club members. So get in the club. If you want to start slow, start with this, just with the die club. I'm sorry, the Stamp Club. Start with just the Stamp Club. Get your feet wet, get your toes wet. You'll fall in love, and then you'll want to add the others. But go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, because you know what? This deal cannot be beat. It's the best deal in town. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.